Maintenance on our tripod, our push button tripod, bipod, our prism pole tripod is quite easy. It was designed to be used without any tools for most of your normal maintenance. The push button has a stop guide here. Just simply unscrew the stop guide counterclockwise. That separates the inner from the outer. Push the button again and you can slide it completely out. Now you've got two parts. You've got the outer and the inner assembly. The outer can be damaged. Typical of what happens to the outer is small dings that can prevent the proper moving, sliding of the locking cone inside the tube. So if you've got a lot of dings, obviously you're going to have some tight spots, rough spots, so this can be replaced as a part. For cleaning this part, we've left a hole in the point so that you can actually flush this out with fresh water, garden hose under pressure, both directions. Air hose, if you've got one handy, you could blow in from this direction and blow all the water and debris out. So let it set up for a while till it's totally dry before you put it back together. The prism pole point should be cleaned and re-lubed frequently. We do have a little disclaimer and a reminder to frequently remove your point, re-lube it with any type of thick wheel bearing grease. It really doesn't matter as long as it's a thick grease. Otherwise this point will rust and freeze. This is a steel point, so it will rust if it's not lubed, and you'll never get the point off. The inner is a simple mechanism. We've got a cone and a cam on the very end. The way it works is the spring forces the cone into the cam, which pushes this side of the cone into the outer wall, therefore jamming it up and locking the telescoping action. Occasionally, or over a period of time, this cone here may get unlubricated so that it doesn't turn properly when you try to make the adjustment at the top. So the cone can be taken apart, clean the cone, clean the latch rod, re-lube this here, put it back on. Again, very light lubrication. Okay, then you can put it back on in reverse. Got to push the button, slides on, put your stop guide back on. Go counterclockwise until you feel that first thread kind of drop in, like that, and then go counterclockwise or clockwise and it goes right on. Otherwise you could cross thread your stop guide. Now to make the adjustment, you turn this here, and that's why you want to lubricate the cone. If the cone is froze up, when you turn this here, the cone turns with it, and you won't get any adjustment. Because as you turn this here, you're lengthening or shortening the latch rod, which applies force to the locking cone. So you should be able to depress the button. The leg slides freely. When you release it, it locks firmly. That's it. Very low maintenance. All parts is on the website under the part number. Very basic mechanics. I'm sure you can do it.